Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to our channel. So in this video I just wanted to show you something which I discovered recently with the help of my friend. So I would like to share with you. So come, let's go into the video. So before let's start the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's go into the video. Come. Guess where? We are in the hotel of Anathara. So guess what? Yes, we are here to go for a boating. Actually, this one I don't know which boat my husband has booked for us. So I'll show you which boat he has booked and what all things we did during this trip. And if you wanted to go for the same ride, I'll share the link in the description. You can contact him and you can just proceed. Now I would like to share which boat we are going to take. We are going to take EcoDonut boats. So now we are here. This is a boat of what we are going to take. So here is a concerned representative and she will be explaining us what is this and how we have to go.
Hey,
Wait. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Ida.
Ida. Hi Ida.
Hello. We have electric boat here, so it's a self-drive boat. It's easy to drive and safe. So we will give you instruction. At least six persons can sit inside.
Okay.
You will enjoy it.
Okay, thank you Ida.
You're welcome.
So it is, what is the charge?
Yeah, it's 240 for 30 minutes
Okay.
and 360 for 1 hour.
Okay.
And we can give you extra time at least 15 minutes.
Okay. So this donut boat has a proper sanitization after every trip, as I understand. And in case if you need a safety jacket, it is available over here. We can just take this, and they will explain us how to go. So let's see what is happening. See, they are sanitizing the boat. They are providing the life jacket.
Place the key.
Okay.
Then you make like this because without the key the engine cannot move.
Okay.
Now it's on. Off the engine is on. This is forward, this is neutral, this is reverse.
Okay.
So forward you go like this.
Okay.
Neutral. Reverse this way.
Okay.
The engine is opposite. If you want to go your left, you take your right. Your right you take your left. Make sure you always bring it in the center. So when you're controlling it to go your left, you bring it in the center, you go your right, you bring it back in the center, so it will go straight. Center will go straight. If you want to go your left, you take your right. Your right, you take your left.
So this is the center? You mean?
Yeah, this is center.
Okay.
In case of emergency, this is our number, you give us a call.
Okay.
We come for rescue. So now you can go forward.
Okay.
Enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
Please be careful of the baby.
there is a mid of a place where you can find a place for swimming. So we have written code of conduct out, so you can have a small place for swimming. So we stopped here and we just had some time, and then now it's almost sunset, so we'll be going back. We are almost done. We took 30 minutes and they gave us 15 more minutes extra, so it's almost 45 minutes finished. So we also had a good time. Our captain is driving the boat. My husband is driving the boat. So now we will be reaching the destination. Then I will see you at that time. We are going to reach the place where we started. We almost completed the trip, and it was actually a very nice trip and we all enjoyed it. And this gives us a relaxation where we can see the sea water, and this is just a ride in the sea. So this the air only, it gives us refreshment, and it's very nice climate, and it is a sunset time, so we all enjoyed it, and hope you guys will also enjoy this video. And do try this donut boats. Definitely I will just give you the details in my description box. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and do comments me like what is your question. Like if you need any information about this boat, just let me know, I can answer it. And share with your friends and families, and do subscribe the channel. See you all in my next video. And before that, I will just complete the ride, and I'll let you know for the exit part. Now it's time to say goodbye. You also have prayer rooms, and you also have restaurants, and we found an Indian restaurant which is Peppermill, and seafood restaurant which is Floca, and Marque, Cafe Blanc, and Cart Lucia Indian Italian cafe restaurant. This is a map of this Eastern Mangroves Promenade. As soon as we come outside, we are with our mom. So we finished our ride today, and now we'll be back to our home.